On the left-hand side, go to Photos and search for a photo that you want, or you can also upload your own photo by going to the top and going to Uploads. Here in this example, I'm just going to select some photo that's related to nature. And I actually really like this photo here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Next thing I want to do is I want to add some sort of graphic here. So I'm going to go to Elements and I'm going to search for pterodactyl. So I'm trying to make a text appear effect where the pterodactyl moves from a certain location, and then once they move from A to B, then a text appears. So let me see if there is a pterodactyl that's good for this example. I'm just going to go ahead and use this guy. You can obviously use any graphic that you want here, but just for the purpose of this video, actually, I like this guy better, okay? So I'm just going to use this pterodactyl here. And what I want to do is there's going to be some text hidden. So I'm going to go back to text box here and I'm going to put something down. I'm going to change the font size. You can obviously do whatever you want here. Perhaps make this white color, go to effects, maybe add some sort of outline around the text. Okay. So something like this. So when my pterodactyl comes from one side and ends up on another side, then this text is going to appear. So that's what I'm trying to do in this case. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that this text is aligned with the video clip, or in this case, this background photo. I'm going to go ahead and click on share at the top right corner, download, and I'm going to download this as a PNG. And you'll see why I'm doing this in a bit. So I'm going to download this PNG to my computer. Then I go to uploads, upload files, and then I'm going to upload that graphic that I just created here. So I'm going to delete all of this. And now I'm going to put this here. So this is the graphic that I have. Now if I go back to photos and use the same photo, but now I'm going to place it on top. And I'm going to go back to elements and select the pterodactyl that I was using. Okay. And I'm going to adjust the size of this pterodactyl so that it's going to be bigger, and I want to make sure that it really covers the entire, well, maybe not the entire page, but a large portion of the page. So to check that, I'm going to delete this first, and So I'm going to keep adjusting this until the text is hidden behind the pterodactyl here. So this might take a little bit of adjusting to do. Okay, so maybe something like this will do for the video. Okay. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a copy of this graphic. I'm going to create a copy of this here. And now I'm going to just move the second graphic that I created over to the side. Actually, come to think of it, maybe if I just cover the wings with the text, it'll look better. Okay, something like this. I'm going to make a copy of this graphic here. I'm going to move this second graphic, make sure it's the second graphic, not the first, to the right-hand side. And what I can do is I'm going to add a transition between the two designs. I'm going to click on Match Move, and I'm going to adjust the Match Move duration to the maximum. So now when I preview this, now it has that text appear effect that you see a lot in movie introductions or movie trailers. So that's the effect that I'm going for. Obviously, you can, use your own photo, your own graphics, but the concept is the same. Trying to make that text appear effect in Canva. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.